Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to check a product that you are probably familiar with, but maybe you didn't know that it might save your quadcopter. Recently I almost lost my HRC Batman 220, the battery was disconnected mid-air and the only way I could find it was by replaying the flight footage that was recorded by my feature DVR. So even if you're not going to post the flight footage on YouTube or Facebook or whatever, it's important to record your flight footage because in case something goes wrong, this flight footage might save your quadcopter. Now there's an issue with the Fetcher DVR. It's good, but it has some flaws. So now I've got my Fetcher HDO connected to this screen and you can see that I'm going to play the footage. And let's say you're having some issues and you want to find the place where you crashed your quadcopter like I did. This is from my last footage. You can see that was a pretty bad crash that destroyed my Asian Wizard TS215. So let's say I want to pause the video right now. I can pause it, but look what happens. After pressing play again, it jumps, so it's a little bit hard to find the exact moment of crash, and this exact moment is crucial if you need to find your quadcopter, because for example the issue that I had with the HRC Batman 220 is that it rolled and I really had to pause on a specific frame in order to find out where it landed. So there are a couple of ways to solve this problem, and of course you can take a computer with you and then you can just play immediately the DVR on your computer, but a computer is a little bit bulky to carry and everybody has a phone, so my solution is buying an OTG card reader and putting it in your backpack. You can buy this device with a USB-C connector because I have a Galaxy S8 Plus, it's compatible with my device. You can also buy it with a microSD connector and also with a lightning connector so it can work with your iPhone as well. So now after placing the microSD card inside the OTG card reader, let's plug it in. And now you can either locate your files using a file explorer program or you can open it up directly using a video player. I'm going to use BS Player Free for this demo. It's not the best program, but it should do. So now you need to locate the content of the microSD card. Over here is going to be under storage and it's going to be 88AE, I think. And then you need to just open the video that you would like to see. So let's open this video, and as you can see now we can just play the video on your device. It's also a bigger screen, so you can also share this video with your friends and they might help you to find the lost quadcopter. And you can also pause the video in a more convenient way than on your Fetcher DVR, and you can see that after pressing play it's going to play the video, of course, from the moment you stopped the video. You can also adjust the playback speed between 200% to 50%, so it's not that slow, but you can find other programs that will do the trick and will enable you to decrease the play speed to lower rates. So overall, I think that this device might prove itself pretty useful, and for the price of about $4, I think that you should definitely consider getting one and put it inside your flat backpack, and in case things go wrong, it might help you find your quadcopter. As always, I thank you for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it and you find it useful. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section down below. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up if you like this video and consider subscribing to my channel and hitting the notification bell if you're not already subscribed. See you in my next videos and goodbye.